Welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday, the 27th of August, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let me look at Eurodollar now, and wow, 2 days is all it took to unwind that massive spike higher, or massive move higher that we saw on Monday. 350 pips we got of upside, and that's completely unwound now, and Euro is still falling. You would argue that it is still trying to settle down, I think, and not exactly decisive move in any way at all. Euro down sort of 13 pips on the day, but still, I think we need to just be a little bit careful of this one. I'm looking at the momentum indicators here. The RSI still above that reaction low that we saw in mid-August. Stochastics also, but stochastics are falling away, and the stochastics, I think, on this chart are the concern, because I think we're still seeing this sort of momentum building to the downside following on from those 2 days of selling pressure. We've already seen a minor recovery just unwinding today. This is the move that we've seen today, where you've sort of seen that drift higher in the Asian session, then bang, the Europeans have come in and sold quite significantly. So we're back towards testing of the 12.89 low yesterday. So if you break below that, I think you're going to be back at 12.15, and 12.15 is actually better on the daily chart. 12.15 is the old support from these two breakouts of these highs back from sort of early July and also mid-August as well. Those two breakout levels that we saw there, and that is your initial support. But continuing this theme to the downside on the euro the last couple of days, sharp momentum. I think if you saw that the stochastics below that reaction low in August, I think that's just suggesting that we're going to be coming probably even ultimately back towards the pivot level again, or the pivot range that I've been talking about for so long, 1050 to 11 figure. So this move that we've seen in the last sort of week and a half is still unwinding, and the pressures at the downside is growing, and I think further losses below 12.89, which was yesterday's low, I think reopens that downside again. I think still the market is settling down to a certain extent and trying to find its feet again after all those this such significant volatility in recent days, but still I think that there is a growing sentiment. I think that the euro could be correcting it once again, although it's not confirmed yet. But we'll wait and see on this one. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.